Hello, and welcome to Verbora English.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us today.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We create videos to help you speak English every single day.
Yes, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Today, we have a very special lesson about daily routines.
That's right. We will practice listening, learn many useful sentences, and have a natural conversation.
Are you ready to learn? Let's get started.
So, Mike, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good, Sarah, but I'm a little tired.
Oh no, tired? What happened?
I went to bed late last night. I was watching a movie.
I understand. What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 6:30. My alarm rang very loudly.
6:30 is early. I woke up at 7:15 today.
That's a good time. What did you do first?
First, I turned off my alarm, then I stayed in bed for 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes? That's good. I stay in bed for 10 minutes sometimes.
That's okay, we all do that. Then I got out of bed.
Do you stretch in the morning?
Yes, I stretch my arms and my back. It feels so good.
I should do that. I just get up and walk to the bathroom.
The bathroom is the next step. What do you do first in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth. I use my toothbrush in toothpaste.
Me too. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. That's what the dentist says.
2 minutes is important. Then I wash my face.
With soap or just water?
With face wash. Cold water. It wakes me up.
I use warm water. Cold water is too cold for me in the morning.
We are different. After that, I look in the mirror.
And what do you see?
I see that I need to comb my hair. It looks crazy in the morning.
My hair looks crazy too. I brush my hair every morning.
Then comes the shower. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a quick shower. About 5 minutes.
Hot water or cold water?
Warm water. Nice and warm. Do you sing in the shower, Mike?
Me? Sing? No. My voice is not good for singing.
I don't believe you. I think you have a nice voice.
Maybe only in the shower. After the shower, I dry myself with a towel.
I dry my hair with a hairdryer. It takes a few minutes.
Then I get dressed. I put on my clothes.
What do you usually wear? I put on underwear first, then socks, then pants and a shirt. Do you wear formal clothes for work? No, my work is casual. I wear jeans and a t-shirt. That's nice. I wear comfortable clothes at home for making videos.
The best kind of clothes. Now breakfast time.
Yes, breakfast is very important. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually make eggs. I cook eggs in a pan. And I make toast.
That sounds delicious. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. I need my coffee.
I drink tea. Green tea with honey.
That sounds healthy. Do you eat at the table?
Yes, I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I look at my phone sometimes.
I eat fast. I stand in the kitchen. Bad habit, I know.
Try sitting down. It's more relaxing.
You're right. I will try. After breakfast, I get ready to leave.
Do you have a problem finding your things?
Yes, every morning I look for my keys. Where are my keys?
Oh no. I keep my keys in a special place, a small bowl near the door.
A bowl? That's a great idea. I need to do that.
Then you can just pick up your keys and go.
Perfect. Then I leave the house. I lock the door.
Very important to lock the door.
Then I walk to my car. I get in. I start the engine.
And you drive to work. Is the traffic bad?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. When there's traffic, I listen to music.
What kind of music?
Pop music. It makes me happy in the morning.
Nice. My commute is very short. I walk to my desk at home.
Lucky you. No traffic at all.
That's true. When I start work, I turn on my computer.
I do the same. I arrive at the office. I say good morning to everyone.
That's polite. Then you start working?
Yes, first I check my emails. So many emails every day.
I check my emails too. I read them carefully. I answer the important ones.
Do you drink coffee while you work?
I drink my tea at my desk. It's my morning ritual.
Ritual? What does that mean?
A ritual is something you do the same way every time, a special habit.
Ah, I understand. My coffee is my ritual too.
After emails, I make a list, a to-do list.
What's on your list?
Things like plan lesson, record video, answer comments.
That's very organized. My list is in my head.
Write it down. A paper list is very helpful.
Okay, I will try. Then I have meetings at work.
What do you say in meetings?
I say, good morning, everyone. I say, here is my progress.
Those are useful sentences. What else?
Sometimes I say, I need help with this. It's okay to ask for help.
Absolutely. Asking for help is important.
After meetings, I work on my computer. I write reports.
That sounds quiet.
It is quiet. Sometimes I talk to my colleague, Tom.
What do you talk about?
Small talk. How was your weekend? Did you watch the game?
Small talk is important for friendships at work.
Yes, it is. Then lunchtime arrives.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. The cafeteria is less busy then.
Smart thinking. What's your favorite lunch?
I like a chicken sandwich with soup, vegetable soup.
That sounds good. I make a salad at home, quick and healthy.
Do you take a break for lunch?
Yes, I try. I don't look at my computer. I sit and relax.
Good rule. I sometimes eat at my desk. Bad habit.
Try to take a real break. It helps your mind.
After lunch, I feel sleepy. My energy is low.
The afternoon slump. I know that feeling.
What do you do?
I drink more tea, or I take a short walk.
Maybe I should drink tea instead of more coffee.
Green tea is gentle. Try it.
I will. My afternoon is more work, sometimes another meeting.
And then you finish work?
Yes, I finish at 5:30. I turn off my computer. I say goodbye.
I finish around 6. Then I close my laptop.
And the evening begins.
Yes, the evening is my favorite time.
Me too. I drive home. The traffic is worse in the evening.
What do you do in the car?
I listen to podcasts about history or science.
That's a good use of time.
Then I get home, I open the door, I say I'm home.
Even if no one is there?
Yes, it's a habit from when I was a child.
That's sweet. Then what do you do?
I put down my bag. I take off my shoes.
Important. Shoes off at the door.
Then I change my clothes. I take off my work clothes,
What do you put on?
sweatpants and a t-shirt. Very comfortable.
The best feeling after work.
It really is. Then I think about dinner.
Do you cook?
Sometimes I check the refrigerator first.
What do you look for?
Vegetables, meat, rice. Do I have everything?
And if not,
I go to the supermarket. I make a shopping list on my phone.
what do you write?
Things like milk, bread, onions, chicken.
Then you drive to the store?
Yes, I get a cart, I walk through the aisles.
Do you only buy what's on your list?
No, I always see chocolate and buy it.
A little treat for yourself.
Exactly. Then I go home and cook.
What can you cook?
I can cook pasta. I can cook rice with vegetables, simple things.
That's great. I like to cook stir fry, fast and easy.
How do you make it?
I cut the vegetables, I heat oil in a pan, I cook everything together.
That sounds delicious. Where do you eat dinner?
At my table, I watch something on my tablet.
I eat in front of the TV. I watch a comedy show.
Laughing after work is important.
It helps me relax. Then comes the worst part.
What's that?
The dishes. I have to wash the dishes.
Do you have a dishwasher?
Yes, I load the dishwasher, but sometimes I wash dishes by hand.
I wash dishes by hand. I don't have a dishwasher.
That takes more time.
It does, but I listen to music while I wash.
Good idea. After dishes, I relax on the sofa.
What do you do?
I might call my parents or text my friends.
How often do you call your parents?
About twice a week. I ask them, how was your day?
Family is important. I call my mom every Sunday.
That's nice. Then maybe I play video games.
For how long?
About 30 minutes, sometimes 1 hour.
I like to read books in the evening.
What are you reading now?
A novel, a love story, very romantic.
Nice. Then the night routine begins.
Yes, around 10 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, I take a warm shower. It helps me sleep.
I shower in the morning, but I brush my teeth at night.
Of course, brushing teeth before bed is essential.
Do you floss your teeth?
Yes, I floss every night. Very important for healthy teeth.
I sometimes forget to floss.
Try to remember, your dentist will be happy.
You're right. What else do you do before bed?
I put lotion on my face. Skincare.
Skincare? I don't do that.
Maybe you should try. Then I set my alarm for the next day.
What time?
7:15, same time every day.
I set my alarm for 6:30, but I want to change it to 7.
More sleep is good. Then you get into bed?
Yes, I get into bed, I get under the covers.
Do you read in bed?
No, I look at my phone. I know it's bad.
It's a common bad habit. The phone light is not good for sleep.
I know. I should read a book instead.
Try it for 1 week. See how you feel.
Okay, I will try. What do you do?
I read my book for about 20 minutes. Then I turn off the light.
And you fall asleep?
Yes, I close my eyes and fall asleep.
And the routine starts again the next day.
Exactly. It's a cycle, a daily cycle.
Routines are good. They give structure to our day.
I agree. Now let's practice some useful questions and answers.
Great idea. These are sentences you can use in real life.
First question. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Perfect. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
Good. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
How long does it take you to get ready?
It takes me about 30 minutes to get ready.
How do you get to work?
I drive to work. I take my car.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch in the cafeteria.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5:30.
What do you do after work?
I go straight home. Then I relax.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Excellent. Now let's go through 50 essential daily routine phrases.
I wake up early.
I wake up late.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed.
I stretch my arms.
I make my bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed.
I put on my clothes.
I make breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I drink tea.
I read the news.
I check my phone.
I feed my pet.
I leave the house.
I lock the door.
I walk to the bus stop.
I drive to work.
I take the train.
I arrive at work.
I turn on my computer.
I check my emails.
I have a meeting.
I work on a project.
I take a break.
I eat lunch.
I go out for lunch.
I finish work.
I pack my bag.
I say goodbye to my colleagues.
I go home.
I get home.
I take off my shoes.
I change my clothes.
I check the mail.
I start cooking dinner.
I set the table.
I eat dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I take out the trash.
I watch TV.
I call a friend.
I take a walk.
I do some exercise.
I take a shower.
I brush my teeth.
I set my alarm.
I read a book.
I turn off the light.
I fall asleep.
Perfect. Those are all very useful phrases.
Now let's explain some important vocabulary words.
Great idea. First word, routine.
What does routine mean?
Routine means the things you do every day in the same order, your normal activities.
I see. My morning routine is simple.
Exactly. Next word, relax.
What does relax mean?
Relax means to rest and become calm, not working or worrying.
I relax on the sofa after work.
Perfect. Next word, commute.
What does commute mean?
Commute is the trip you take to work and back home every day.
My commute is 30 minutes by car.
Good. Next word. Habit.
What does habit mean?
A habit is something you do regularly, often without thinking.
Drinking coffee every morning is my habit.
Exactly. Habits can be good or bad. Next word. Essential.
What does essential mean?
Essential means very important and necessary. You must have it.
Sleep is essential for good health.
Perfect. Next word. Groceries.
What does groceries mean?
Groceries are food and things you buy at the supermarket.
I need to buy groceries today.
Good. Next word. Colleague.
What does colleague mean?
A colleague is a person you work with, a coworker.
I have lunch with my colleague.
Exactly. Last word. Traffic.
What does traffic mean?
Traffic means all the cars and vehicles on the road.
There is a lot of traffic in the morning.
Perfect. Heavy traffic is bad. Light traffic is good.
Sarah, we covered so much today.
We really did, from waking up to falling asleep.
A complete day in English.
You practiced listening, you learned new phrases, you learned new words.
Great job, everyone. This takes effort.
Remember, you don't need to learn everything today.
Just pick 2 or 3 new sentences.
Use them tomorrow in your life.
Say them out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Even thinking in English helps. Now I am brushing my teeth.
Now I am eating breakfast.
Make English part of your daily routine.
Our question for you today is simple.
What is one part of your daily routine that you enjoy?
For me, I enjoy my morning coffee. It's my quiet time.
For me, I enjoy reading before bed. It's relaxing.
Tell us in the comments below.
We read every comment. It makes us very happy.
If you have questions, write them too. We try to answer.
Thank you so much for watching today.
Learning English is a journey. We are happy to help you.
You are doing amazing. Keep going.
If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to Verbora English for more lessons.
We make new videos every week.
Okay, time to say goodbye.
Thank you for watching and practicing with us.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Take care, everyone.